guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Solange, and in today's video I'm going to be styling the rest of my home for spring. There's already a part 1 in my channel, and now we're going to be styling the rest of the rooms in my home. I'm going to be showing you some of the inspiration pictures I'm using, and I'll also link down below my Pinterest board in case you have the same vibe as me and you want to use them as inspiration for your own home. And I'll be also showing you some of the pieces I thrifted and that I'll be styling with in this video. So without further ado, let's get to work. Okay guys, I received these tulips to put on the bar and give it a little bit of a spring touch. Let's see how it looks. I got them on Amazon. They look pretty good, especially like obviously you see them like this, but like styled. Okay, let's style them and see how they look. for today. I hope you enjoyed and it gave you some inspiration on how to style your own home. So let me know in the comments which one was your favorite styling. I'll be linking everything down below, everything I can find, either similar if it's thrifted or the actual exact piece. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.